Hey, Stock Cards Portfolio Publishers. Super excited today to share with you some of the new updates and enhancement that we made to Stock Cards Portfolio functionality to make your life and your job easier as you manage your portfolio on a Stock Cards stock pick page. Three things I'm going to tell you about. One is how we enhanced the way you would publish your portfolio on a stock card and how you can add a lot more new information about you and your team and your portfolio to your stock cards portfolio page. The second thing I'm going to tell you about is how you can add additional information or reasons for buying a stock or selling a stock to your portfolio on a stock card so that your followers can know more about how you think about a stock. And then the third thing I'm going to tell you or show you is that how you can add additional information or share additional information with your followers through our direct email functionality that we're working on, so that you can share more detailed information with your followers on a stock cards portfolio page. Okay, let's get to it. Number one is this enhancement on a stock cards portfolios. So if right now you go on portfolios and you go to a stock picks page and you choose your own portfolio, and for this example, I'm going to choose my own portfolio, Roll with Our CEO. There are several new enhancements on the portfolio page. First and foremost, you can add your portfolio target. If you have a specific portfolio target, monetary target, or earnings target, you could put it in your portfolio. You can also identify whether it's by a specific year or by a specific time or by specific months. So then I'll show you this a little bit further. The second thing is you can now add your favorite brokerage here on a stock card portfolio, and this can be linked to your unique individual referral link so that if people click on your favorite portfolio and end up subscribing or signing up for that portfolio, that brokerage, you would be able to get the referral. And then the third thing is all these social media icons that allows your followers on a stock card to get to know you better. You could add your website or your blog, your YouTube, your Facebook page, your Facebook group, your Instagram, if you run a WhatsApp group, Twitter, Discord, and even your Patreon. As you know, here at Stockcard, our philosophy is to help you make more money and enhance your business and grow your community, and that's why we're allowing or enabling you to add all of your social media and your other communities to Stockcard so that your followers can get to know you better. How do you add all this information to your portfolio? It's very easy. On your stock card page, go to your portfolio page and choose obviously a new portfolio. Type in the name of the portfolio, for example, new Best Buys. This is a sample I'm creating. Here we have a default portfolio description. You could just delete it and write down an introduction to your portfolio. You could say, hi, my name is Hoda. My name is Hoda, and this is my best buys. Now, make sure to make it short and brief, but add enough information so that people know why they need to this is your teaser. This is your 1 paragraph, 2 paragraph introduction to your philosophy. Typically, people talk about why I'm creating this portfolio. What is the main idea behind this portfolio? You could, as I said, you could put a target here. You could say, my goal is to get to 10 million, 1 million. You could even say, my goal is to do $1,000 per week, per month, per year, so per day, whatever your goal is. You can also choose to leave it empty. You don't have to. This is not a required field. You can just leave it empty. The next one is you would decide whether this is just an idea portfolio or some sort of a real money portfolio. Choose between that. Real money portfolios always create more excitement. But if this is not your real money portfolio, make sure to just put it as an idea. Especially because as we work on brokerage integration, at some point when you choose a real money portfolio, we would need to provide your brokerage connection. It's not that right now, it's not available right now, but that's sort of the idea where we're going. So you put an idea, and then you could also say, what is your actual goal? Are you doing it just for watching things? Or is this growth? This is income? This is YOLOing? Is this learning? Is this for buying something? Is this for starting a business, funding a vacation, or just beating the index? A lot of people choose beating the index. So you submit to create that portfolio. Up to this point, your portfolio is private. It's been created, your portfolio is private, and it's only visible to you in your account. Obviously, you could just start adding new orders, buy or sell, whatever that makes sense, but nobody can see this portfolio yet. In order to make your portfolio to be available public on the stock pick page, you need to publish it. Publishing it's super easy. You click on publish, and the information we want from you is your social media information. So you could choose to make this portfolio a free or VIP. Free or VIP, the difference is if it's free, everybody on the stock code can see it. If it's VIP, it's only available to paying users. You could put the name of your main brokerage. So if you're using, let's say, Webull, or if you're using Robinhood, or whatever portfolio or brokerage that you're using. And then, as I said, you could put your referral. So if you have a specific referral from the brokerage that you're using, you could put that link, that referral link here. And then feel free to add as many information about your social media as you feel so. You don't have to put everything. You could even just publish it without any of this information. But the more you do, the more followers get to know you. So for here, for example, I put blog.stockcard.io. That's StockCard's blog, obviously. And you could put your YouTube, everything else. You click submit, and once it's clicked submit, it basically sends us a notification for us to review your portfolio in the next few hours, making sure everything looks good, and then we would just approve it, and it will go live right after that. That's all there is to publishing a portfolio. The only question that might come up is that you would ask me, how do I add these thumbnails, these beautiful icons or thumbnails or images that we've chose for our portfolios on the stock pick page? That is something that we work with you. Most of you have already told us before what kind of icon or images you would want to have on your portfolio. If you have a specific requirements for your portfolio in terms of the thumbnail or in terms of icon, or if you want to have your logo, just work with me or your contact on a stock card with a stock card team, so that we can just make sure the right logo is uploaded. For example, here, Paul versus Market, he put his portfolio logo here. Joseph Hogue, he puts his image on it. So we have a lot of freedom in terms of what you want to include in the portfolio. Just let us know. And that's something that we need to work from back end and get that uploaded. So that's the first thing I wanted to tell you about. The second thing I have to share with you is that the reasoning, the ability to add your reasoning to any of the stock picks. So I'm going to show you one more example. Here's my watch list on the stock card, and you see I added Upstart Holding on 21st of June to my portfolio, and I would have most likely, there is a reason here. You see, for example, for GameStop that I added to my watch list. So most of all, there could be a reason here for Upstart Holding why I'm adding Upstart Holding to my watch list. So here's I wrote on 21st of June, this is why I'm adding Upstart to my portfolio. And the way users can see it, obviously users can see it this way if they come on that row and see your decision. They also can see that decision, that reasoning for your decision as a part of the locked area for VIP users. So if I click on our strategy and go to the VIP stock picks, here it says decision to watch by Hoda for 2021 watch list, and this is my note, and this will be date stamped and named stamped to you and to your portfolio, and only available to VIP users. So this is something that we guard very closely. Make sure only paying users can see that. So when you are, how do you get that is that when you are on your portfolio, here's, let me go and find the portfolio that we just created together. New Best Buys. This is the portfolio we just created together. If you add a new order to your portfolio, let's say I'm buying NTLA as my best portfolio right now, my best stock pack right now. I add buy, maybe one, maybe it's today. Price is obviously automatically. Here's where you would put your reasoning. As an example, I'm putting believe in the future of gene editing. You could go longer. Try to make this at least, try to make this as short as possible. This is because people see it in that tooltip model, right? They click on it, there's a tooltip opens. So it's not like a long article format, but you could put between 300 to 500 words here for people to see a little bit of your thinking. If you are one of those people that have price targets for selling this stock at some point, make sure you put your price target here as well. You don't have to put the price target, but if you do, if you're that kind of investor that you do put price target, you could put your price target here. Click submit, and you see it shows up here. Your decision is available here. Your buy decision is available. Your sales target, price target is available. And once this portfolio is approved, this icon will change to approved. And then people see this portfolio on the stock pick page, and they also see your reasoning and all your stock pick as a part of the portfolio page. So this was the second thing I wanted to share with you. And then the third thing is sending exclusive VIP content to the VIP users. So we send every day as a part of our daily role with CEO an email to all of our users, and you have the choice, if you work with me, to send an exclusive email to all of our stock cards community. You could choose to send an email to only VIP users. There's a lot of flexibility. So if you do want to create longer form content, or when you pick a stock and you have a longer form, 1,000, 2,000 word longer form content, you can work with me and we can create exclusive email that goes out to all of our community, all of the stock guardians, or to a selected group of the stock guardians. And that would create more buzz around your portfolio, because our goal here is to get more people from a stock card community or from outside to follow you, follow your portfolio. So that's why we would provide this functionality or this feature that you could send exclusive branded email to our stock cards community. That's all there is that I wanted to share with you. Thank you again being part of a stock cards portfolio publisher community. And you can always reach out to me, Hoda at stockcard.io, if you have any questions or if you need any help. And I look forward to seeing the updates on your portfolios or seeing new portfolios that you create on a stock card. Thank you, everybody. Happy investing.